ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన NSR ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ NSR ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the topic indefinite integrals, which is very important, not only in intermediate, in our further studies also, in engineering also, this integration that plays a vital role. So this is indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals. Let f of x and g of x are two functions such that f dash of x is equal to g of x. F dash of x equal to g of x. Then f of x is called antiderivative or primitive of g of x with respect to x. Antiderivative f of x and g of x are two functions such that f dash of x equal to g of x. Then f of x is called antiderivative or primitive of g of x with respect to x. For example, here derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Here cos x is derivative of sin x, and sin x is called antiderivative or primitive of cos x. Also derivative of sin x plus some constant is also equal to cos x. Here cos x is called derivative of sin x. Cos x is called, because the derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of constant is 0. So cos x is derivative of sin x, and the sin x plus c is antiderivative or a primitive of cos x. Now next point, if f of x is an antiderivative of small f of x, then f of x plus c, where c belongs to R, is called indefinite integral of f of x with respect to x, and it is denoted by and it is denoted by integral f of x dx. Integral f of x dx. And c is called the constant of integration. C is called constant of integration. Constant of integration. F of x is an antiderivative of small f of x. Then f of x plus c, where c belongs to R, is called indefinite integral of f of x with respect to x, and it is denoted by integral f of x dx, where c is called constant of integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Integration is inverse process of differentiation. So in first year, differentiation, that is very, very important. If you are strong in differentiation, you are able to solve the complete calculus in first year. Differentiation, errors and approximations, rate measure, tangents and normals, maxima minima, everything is related to differentiation. Even though while solving the problems in physics, so differentiation is must. So here, integration, it's a very, very important topic. Once you go through the differentiation formulas, if you are good in differentiation, you solve the problems integration very easily. So first one, derivative of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to derivative. I think you know the derivative of x to the power of n. Derivative of x to the power of n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So in the same way, this derivative is what? Derivative n plus 1 into x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So these two gets cancelled. 1 cancel. That is equal to x to the power of n. Derivative implies integral x to the power of n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where c is constant of integration. Suppose if write c, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, even though the derivative is x to the power of n, because derivative of constant is 0. So c should be added after integration for each and every one, where c is constant of integration. So these are the fundamental formulas. The derivative of x is equal to 1 implies integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Derivative of e to the power of x is equal to e power x implies integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. The inverse process of differentiation, that is integration. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Derivative of mod x is equal to mod x by x implies integral mod x by x dx is equal to mod x plus c. Derivative of mod x equal to mod x by x. I think all of you know mod x. Mod x is equal to plus x if x is greater than 0. Mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. Mod x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0. X equal to 0. So this is. Of course, in this case here, now x not equal to 0. If x equal to 0 means what? Derivative of 0 is simply 0. So, derivative of mod x equal to mod x by x. Integral mod x by x equal to mod x plus c. Derivative of log of mod x is equal to 1 by x. 1 by mod x actually into derivative of mod x is mod x by x. That equal to 1 by x. Implies integral 1 by x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c. Log of mod x plus c. Derivative of a power x by log a is equal to derivative of a power x into log a. Log a gets cancelled. So this is a not x. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a by log a. Log a gets cancelled. That is a to the power of x. Implies integral a power x dx is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Log a plus c. Next, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Implies integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of minus cos x is equal to sin x. Implies integral sin x dx is equal to sin x dx equal to minus of cos x plus c. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Implies integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Derivative of cot x is equal to derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivative of minus cot x is plus cosecant square x. Implies integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Implies integral secant x into tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. So derivative of minus cosecant x is equal to cosecant x into cot x. Implies integral cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Minus cosecant x plus c. So, if you are strong in differentiation, so integration is easy. Only thing is practice. You have to write each and every formula at least 2-3 times. 2-3 times, then you have some confidence while solving the problems. Next one, derivative of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Implies integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Minus cos inverse x plus c. So this can be done in two ways. Since sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 if mod x less than or equal to 1 actually. What about sin inverse x? Sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Here sin inverse x is what? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Where pi by 2? Nothing but a constant. So that becomes treated as c. Or you can do like this. Derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, or derivative of minus cos inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, implies integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to minus cos inverse x plus c. So both are same. So derivative of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square implies integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Write down. Derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square implies integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Minus cot inverse x plus c. This also same. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to R. So, tan inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Pi by 2 means that is constant. So, minus cot inverse x plus c. Next one, derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Here one condition is where mod x is greater than 1. Mod x is greater than 1 implies integral 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse x plus c. Inverse process of differentiation. In this one, mod x greater than 1 means what? What is the meaning of this one? Mod x greater than 1. x values does not lie between minus 1 and 1. That is, x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. That is the meaning. Suppose if x is greater than 1, if x is greater than 1, mod x is plus x implies integral 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equal to pi by 2, where mod x greater than 1. These are all from inverse trigonometric functions properties. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where mod x less than or equal to 1. The range of the domain of sin inverse x here minus 1 to 1. Like tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 if x belongs to R. Cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 if mod x greater than or equal to 1. These are all the properties in inverse trigonometric functions. So, if x is greater than 1, if x less than minus 1 implies mod x is what? Minus x. So integral, I can put minus this side, integral x by root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to minus secant inverse x plus c or cosecant inverse x plus c or cosecant inverse x plus c. Next one, derivative of sin hx is equal to cos hx implies integral cos hx dx is equal to sin hx plus c. Derivative of cos hx is equal to sin hx implies integral sin hx dx is equal to cos hx plus c. Derivative of tan hx is equal to secant h square x implies integral secant h square x dx is equal to tan hx plus c. Derivative of cot hx is equal to minus cosecant h square x. So, derivative of minus cot hx equal to cosecant h square x implies integral cosecant h square x dx is equal to minus cot hx plus c. Derivative of secant hx is equal to minus secant hx into tan hx. So, derivative of minus secant hx equal to secant hx into tan hx. Tan hx implies integral secant hx into tan hx dx is equal to secant hx plus c. Derivative of cosecant hx, derivative of cosecant hx is equal to minus cosecant hx into cot hx. So, derivative of minus cosecant hx equal to, so this is cosecant hx into cot hx implies integral cosecant hx into cot hx dx is equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. So, these are hyperbolic functions. Next, inverse hyperbolic. Derivative of sin h inverse x is equal to 1 by root of x square plus 1 implies integral 1 by root of x square plus 1 dx is equal to sin h inverse x plus c, or in terms of log of mod x plus root of x square plus 1 plus c. So, in first year hyperbolic functions, there is a derivation. Prove that sin h inverse x is equal to log of x plus sin h inverse x is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus 1. So, sin h inverse x is also equal to, in terms of log of x plus root of x square plus 1. Next one, derivative of cos h inverse x is equal to 1 by root of x square minus 1, x square minus 1 implies, for this integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to cos h inverse x plus c if x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1. And minus cos h inverse of minus x if x is less than minus 1. Or log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c if mod x greater than 1, that is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. 1 comma infinity. One by integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 is equal to cos h inverse x plus c if x is greater than 1, means x belongs to 1 comma infinity, and minus cos h inverse of minus x if x less than minus 1, x belongs to minus infinity comma 1, or that is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c if mod x is greater than 1. That is what x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 union 1 comma infinity. So, that is the formula. Right now. Next one, derivative of tan h inverse x. 1 by 1 minus x square if mod x less than 1. Implies integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equal to tan h inverse x plus c, tan h inverse x plus c, or 1 by 2 of, in terms of log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus c, where mod x is less than 1. Mod x less than 1. Integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx equal to tan h inverse x plus c, or 1 by 2 of log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x if mod x less than 1. So these are the formulas which you are getting from differentiation. So once you go through these formulas, this is the integration. It may be indefinite integration or definite integration or areas or differential equations, completely depend on this integration. Only thing is formulas are very, very important role. So you have to practice more number of times. Once you are strong in indefinite integration, the rest of the things means definite integration, areas and differential equations, you feel very easy. If you neglect this indefinite integration, so next topics you are not able to understand properly. So this is the very, very important topic. You can put maximum efforts on this indefinite integration. After this, the next topics you feel very easy. If you are not able to practice these indefinite integration, next topics, even though you can put more effort, you are not able to understand. So I repeat once again, so you can have to practice. It's very, very important thing. These are general points. K into f of x dx is equal to k is constant integral f of x dx, where f is a function of x, and integral f of x plus g of x dx. Or you write some constant k, this is let it be some a and this is some b. So this is some p into f of x plus or minus q into g of x dx is equal to p is constant integral f of x dx plus or minus q is constant integral g of x dx. Now we have to go for some problems. Integral 2 into x root x dx is equal to 2 is constant integral x root x means what? X power 1 into x power 1 by 2 dx. So that is 2 times of integral x power 3 by 2 dx. So integral of x power n formula using integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1, what will happen? Minus 1 plus 1, 0. That's not possible. So that is 2 times of integral of x power n. So x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So x power, this is 5 by 2 into this is what? 2 by 5 plus c. Next one, integral e power 3 log x dx. Log x means what? Base e, that is the meaning. A to the power of log m base a is equal to m. This is one property. A power log m base a equal to m. And also log of a to the power of m base b to the power of n is equal to m by n into log a base b. So this is also one property. So integral e power, that is log of, see here, and also m log x is equal to log of x to the power of m. Log of x power m. So 3 log x is log of x cube base, that is the e meaning. So using this property, that is equal to integral x cube dx. So integral x to the power of n. So x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. X power 4 by 4 plus c. Integral e power minus log of cosecant x dx. Cosecant x dx. So this is also e power, this is minus 1 log of cosecant x whole power minus 1 base e dx. That is equal to integral cosecant x whole power minus 1 dx. Integral, so this is 1 by cosecant x dx, that is integral sin x dx. So integral of sin x equal to, that is equal to minus cos x plus c, minus cos x plus c. Next one, e power 2 cot x dx. E power 2, sorry, this is log of cot x dx. So this is e power log of cot x whole square base e dx. So this is using the formula, so this integral, so this is cot x whole square means cot square x dx. For cot square x, there is no formula for integration, cot square x. So cot square x can be written as, so 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x, implies cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1. So this right, cosecant square x minus 1 dx. So this is integral cosecant square x dx, integral 1 dx. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x minus x plus c. No need to write for each and every integral this is plus c, this is plus c. So plus c becomes 2c. Not necessary. C is constant. Whatever it may be, 1c or 2c or 3c, everything is constant. So after completion, you write plus c. Not for this integral plus c and this is plus c. Not necessary. Just after completion, just you can put plus c everywhere. That's enough. Integral 3 power minus log of x square base 9 dx. Base 9 dx. So using the log of a to the power of m base b power n is equal to m by n into log a base b. Log a base b. Using this formula. Integral 3 power, so this is minus log of x square base 3 square dx. X square base 3 square dx. So integral 3 power, so this is using this 2 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled minus, so this is log of x base 3 dx. dx. That is equal to integral 3 power log of x power minus 1 base 3 dx. That is equal to, that is x to the power of integral x power minus 1 dx. Here, since it is a to the power of log m base a is equal to m format. That is equal to integral 1 by x dx. Integral of 1 by x is log of mod x plus c. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus c. Next problem. Integral 2x minus 1 by 3 root x whole square dx. These are all only general problems which are using the direct formulas. So here integral a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab minus 4x plus 1 by this is 9x dx. 9x dx. So this is integral 4x, you write 1 by 9 because this is constant, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 by x dx. So this is 1 by 9 into, so this is integral 4x square by x, that is 4x. Next minus 4x by x, that is 4 plus 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. So 1 by 9 into 4 into integral of x dx minus 4 into integral of 1 dx plus integral 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. That is 1 by 9 into 4 into integral of x means x to the power of 1. Integral of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is x square by 2. 4 into integral of 1 x plus integral of 1 by x log of mod x. Log of mod x plus c. Plus c. So that's enough. So this is 1 by 9 into, so this is 2x square minus 4x plus log of mod x plus c. So